Go ahead.
Hello class, I hope you all are doing well, and my demonstration speech is going to be about how you bath a dog. First, let's go over the materials that we will be using. First, you will need 1 red cup, the shampoo, a washcloth to wash their face, and the towel to dry them off. First, always before you give a dog a bath, you'll want to take off their collar so it does not get wet and give them a sore on their neck. Okay, then you want to make sure the water is at a little above room temperature. Alright, then you want to fill up your whole entire cup with water and pour it all over the dog. Alright, now that your dog is completely wet, let's make sure you get only under the stomach as well, and on the chest. Because sometimes you miss it. Right. Now you will want to take your soap, put it in your hand, get some water in your hand, and make sure you really suds it up. And then just really scrub the dog. And you want to make sure to keep all the soap out of off of their face and ears, because that will make their eyes burn or get their ears all clogged up with soap and stuff. Okay, now you will want to take your washcloth and get it a little bit wet, and then you will want to get their face all completely wet and clean. And also you can put some soap on the cloth a little bit and get that wet, and then if you like that better, you can scrub the dog down with up near their face. And it gets really all the dirt out, so this is what we use. And you want to make sure you always get it on their stomach as well. So you're going to have to kind of lift them up a little bit and get underneath their stomach. Okay, now you want to make sure your washcloth is completely dried off and kind of pour it over the neck a little bit. Okay. And then you want to take your cup now and fill it completely up with water and do it. Make sure you get all the soap off. It's okay, Shush. I know you hate taking baths, don't you? Like a cat. And her name is also Shelly. She is 8 years old. And yeah, and we live on South Shelly Drive, so that's kind of neat that her name is Shelly as well. It's okay. Get your neck and your legs. Alright, so now you want to do the final check, make sure you get it, and then run your hand through their fur, make sure all the soap is out of their fur and everything. Alright, and then you want to turn off the water. Alright, dry your hands off on a towel, and then take your dog and throw it over them. And then take them out of the tub. It's okay. And then you want to get them on the floor. And make sure you get their whole body dried off. Come on. It's okay, come on. Alright, then your dog is completely clean.
Pick her up and shower.
Alright, so now you will want to pick them up. And now your dog is completely clean. And then you can put her back and let her go outside. Let her do what she wants. But make sure before you put her collar on, you want to make sure her fur completely dry so your collar doesn't get wet. And some people use their bathtubs. We use our laundry tub in our washer room. Some people use their bathtubs upstairs because their dog is really big, or they use big wash tubs outside during the summer. So that is the end of my speech, and I hope you all guys have a great day.